Hello subscribers, welcome to the Fast Profits Daily. I am Brijesh Bhatia. Index has been hovering, or especially the Nifty, to test the all-time high, but some or the other where the global markets are trending down. It's been 18,200, 300 levels back to the 18,000 levels onto the Nifty, and the momentum seems trying to go higher, but the global markets are pulling down at current point in time. In this video, I'll be discussing the mid cap. I believe that it's time for mid cap to come back very, very strongly. And we have seen 2021 the rally of mid cap being outperforming against the Nifty as well. I believe these 6-7 months has been the breather for this rally, and probably we may see mid cap coming back very, very strongly. And in this video, I'll be highlighting the ratio chart of mid cap to Nifty, which means that we'll be using this chart and identifying an outperformance and underperformance of mid cap over the Nifty. Before I start, the reason to do this video was I had done a video last week on 5 small cap stocks to add to your watch list, and people have requested some of the mid caps as well, which are trending under 100 and should looks good on chart, and definitely you should add to your watch list as well. So these are the 5 potential mid cap stocks where I believe which are trending under 100 and should be at on your watch list for next leg of a bullish momentum as soon as the mid cap release starts. So before I move on to the stocks or the potential charts where I believe that there is an opportunity, let's look at the mid cap index chart over here first. So if I just look at this mid-cap index chart, we have seen 33,000 plus levels at an all-time high onto the mid-cap index. Index has been hovering for quite long. If you look at this two horizontal black line, it's been hovering between 32,500, 600 on the upper band and 31,000 on the lower band. This could be the breather at the current point in time, and once this momentum is taken out, I believe the momentum may accelerate onto the faster and furious rally onto the bullish side. So this has been a consolidation zone for mid cap. Second chart I want to highlight is the mid cap to Nifty 500. Again, if I just look at why I taken Nifty 500 is because I want to compare it with the broader market, and mid-cap index with the mid-cap 100 stocks against the broader market index. Now, if you look at this rally over here, back from the pandemic lows to 2020 lows to the end of probably mid of 2021, the rally was very fast and furious. We saw a sort of consolidation in the form of bullish pennant. So basically, pennant is the technical pattern after a rally, which is known as pole as per the pattern. So if I just look at the rally and the consolidation in the form of symmetrical triangle, it's basically adding the pole and the triangle, it forms the pennant over here. So when it is in form of channel, it is known as flag, but when it is form of symmetrical triangle, it is known as pennant. Now we saw a breakout of pennant onto the ratio chart, a retest coming back onto the charts over here. The breakout on the bullish side, which means that midcap is outperforming in the broader market against the Nifty 500, and the retest means it's an opportunity to look for a long bias over here. So I believe midcap index hovering higher, ratio chart indicating that it's time for midcap to outperform in the Nifty 500 basket. So it's a good golden opportunity. I believe you should definitely look at into the midcap space, and it's time for midcap to roll up the sleeves and head higher. What are the 5 potential stocks where I believe the technical structure seems very, very exciting? So let's start with the first, the National Aluminium. And if you look at right from 2007 2008, we have seen this trend line breaking out right at around 64 65 levels. The retest has been done at around the same zone from around 120 130 zone. Now the retest is an excellent opportunity because the long-term breakout is there. The retest is coming, and now I probably think that the resumption in the bullish momentum could continue on to the national. So this is the first potential chart where I believe mid-cap stock, where I believe there is a huge opportunity. Second is REC. Now, if you look at the structure over here, the two horizontal orange line over here, so prices have broken about this. If I look at the red line, the falling trend line, the breakout retest has happened, and it prices have took support right at the retest of breakout plus the orange, which is the horizontal trend lines, and prices are heading higher and higher. This stock is trending around 100 rupees. It was somewhere slightly higher, and that's the reason I've considered it below 100. It trends around 95, 98, 200, and 203. So definitely worth watching this stock and should be on your watch list. The third stock is IRFC. We have seen a huge rally coming into the stock right from around 20 levels back to the 25 levels now. If I just look at these two orange, the all-time high has been taken out on this stock since the listing. We have seen bullish head and shoulder coming onto the chart on the weekly scale over here. So Indian Railways FinCorp are definitely a excellent opportunity, even in case it dips to around 23, 22 and a half. Should be on your radar or should be on your watch list to look onto this mid-cap stock. For stock, I'll look for a breakout over here on this fourth stock. BHAL, we have seen one of the strong outperforming stock into the mid-cap space, into the I would say the cap good sector. And look at this rally right from around 40 to 43 to 70 plus rally. Now it is on a verge of multiple trendline breakout. The following trendline right from 2010 plus the previous high of around 2021. The multiple breakout right from around 80, 82 plus. I believe there could be a fast and furious rally, and we may see the stock heading around the higher levels. So this is the fourth potential stock you should keep on your watch list. And the last and final, history is repeating into the Bank of India. Right from 2000 2002, look at the a fall, a rally, a bounce onto the downside, holding the previous lows, and the stock has headed higher. The similar structure has been witnessed over here. Adding to that, if you look at the lower panel, the volumes over here, the volumes are increasing onto the stock is an highlight for the bulls are accumulating this stock. And PSU Bank again, I would say into the sweet spot, flavor of the year. We saw the momentum is very much on a bullish side into the PSU Bank. And in case if you have missed that video where I have highlighted the sector of the decade is the PSU Bank, do watch that video as well. But Bank of India, I believe yes, there is a huge potential into this stock. Most of the PSU have seen a huge run up, and this could be on cards for Bank of India as well. So history is repeating. The volumes here is highlighting that there is a something cooking up for investors and bulls. Probably we may see much higher levels. So these are the five mid cap stocks under 100 you should keep on your watch list, or in case you are if you are holding on to these stocks, you can even add few of them, and these are the stocks you should keep. Signing off, Brijesh Bhatia.